Hi guys, today we are going to see Samba installation. Samba we use for sharing files or directories. It is used to connect from Windows machine to Linux machine. For Linux to Linux there is interface. Samba we use especially for Windows for sharing files to Windows. Okay, come, let's check it out. First we have to make sure machine is updated, and we have to install Samba package. Where is Samba? This command will locate. Okay, I'm creating a directory for sharing my folder. Here it is. We have to edit that Samba configuration file. I have given the path read only, no browsable as. Go ahead and save the file. Once it is done, restart the service SMBD. And make sure that okay, the Samba it is allowed anyway. We have to create a user. Give the password. Failed to add entry for user John. Okay, let me try with the complex password. I was getting an error, failed to add entry for user John because I had no user with the name of John. So I have created a user by using add user John. Once it is done, you can again give sudo smb password space -e space John. Once I have given, it is asking for the password and confirmation password, and once it's given, user has been added. Once this is done, okay, let me check the IP address. Sorry, 240 148.131. Okay. Here I'm going to create a file. Test file. We have to make sure that it is displaying on client machine also. Here my IP address is 22.168.248.134, I guess. 131. Okay. 131. Now in my Windows machine I have to check it out. It should prompt for user ID and password. Yeah. Okay. It has been successfully connected. Here let's try to create a folder. We do not have permissions. There I have given a read now browsable as we did not give any permission for writing. So let me try changing the permission. Okay, it has a full permission. Yeah, now folder has been created. Let's check it out whether it is reflecting in the server or not. Yeah, it is reflecting. Okay guys, this is how you install the Samba and configure it. Thank you for watching.